The Oppo A7 Pro Max will be unveiled in China on August 4th and is already available for pre-order through the company's official online store. The phone will come with a dual rear camera setup. The A7 Pro Max will be offered in black, light blue, and orange color options. The blue and orange variants feature a distinctive pattern finish on the rear panel. The power button and volume keys are located on the right edge of the device, making headlines for packing a massive 10,000 mAh battery, the largest ever fitted into an Oppo device. Supports 80W fast wired charging, measuring just 8.47mm thick and weighing 226 grams. The Oppo A7 Pro Max will have a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. It's powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 5 SoC. It will be paired with up to 12GB of RAM and possibly up to 512GB of storage. There's a 50MP main camera on the rear alongside a 2MP secondary camera of some sort, a 50MP selfie camera. We expect to see more teasers confirming more of its specs in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.